What is going on, guys? Welcome to the video. I hope you're having a great day. It is currently Wednesday, September 30th, and I am placing my first trade of the week on my main account. Now, the past couple of videos, I've been doing a $200 challenge, and I thought I'd switch things up this time and show you a trade that I'm placing on my main account. I haven't been trading much on my main account just because I'm really picky on that account, because I'm risking a lot more money than on the $200 account, and I'm looking for the best possible trades. So about an hour ago, I just entered on AUD CAD. I'm going to show you a clip right now showing you that I am in this trade. I am using a 1 standard lot size, so 2.5s, and I'm risking about 4.4% of my account on this trade. It is a live account, as you can see. So breaking down this trade, let's remove all this and show you guys. Okay, so this trade was basically taken on the 4 hour. There's like this really nice resistance cluster going on right here. Resistance. We see some support here too. So this is like a very respected zone right here. And recently it came up to test it. We have a nice wick here, and we have another super long wick here, telling us that buyers tried to push price above this zone but failed to do so. And if you look closely, it actually closed below the zone, which is a really good sign. And we also have this red engulfing candle right here. I did enter right at the close of the previous candle right here, and I put my stop loss right above this wick, giving the market some room to fluctuate. And my take profit is down here, targeting the previous low. So besides this zone, we have some more confluence here with the fib. If I take my fib from the high to the low here, we see that we also tested this golden zone, the 0.618 zone of the Fibonacci, and we see some nice rejection here as well, and it lines up perfectly with this resistance zone that we see right here. Also, we have a nice downtrend happening starting from right here, and it came to retest this, and its price is most likely going to drop down. We have 3 confluences on this trade, and this is why I'm taking it on my main account. So very nice setup. We're already sitting in profit right now, but like always, I will show you guys how this trade turns out. I'm sorry that I can't record the entire trade in one clip, as much as I would love to do so. I do hold my trades for like 1 to 3 days, so this is the best I can do. This is as live as I can get for you guys in terms of live trading. I mean, this is literally all I can do. Here's the chart right now. Take a look at it, and I will come back and show you guys when I close this trade. I'll see you in the next clip. What's up, guys? It is Saturday night and the markets are closed. I am holding my trade over the weekend, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I'm still in profit right now, and I'm just going to keep holding this trade. Everything's looking good, and I'm going to play a clip of my phone to show you exactly how much I'm up right now. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next clip. What's going on, guys? It is October 6th, and this is how the trade is going. Now, I just woke up, so ignore the hair. I look tired, I know. But I actually did close out of this trade right around here. I'll play the clip right now. I did make $275 on this trade, and which is about 3% of my account in profit, so I'm very happy with that. I believe this does have a little bit more downside, but I was playing it safe, and I did gain about 40 pips, which is plenty for me anyway, especially for one trade. Now, I did place this trade, I think, last week, and that's the only trade I placed, and I just let it run. So in about 1 week, I made $275, and I didn't have to do anything at all, really. I was able to go to work. I was able to do my schoolwork, all that stuff, and still make money. That's the beauty of swing trading. I don't like to necessarily day trade. It was never consistent for me. Swing trading has always been super consistent. But that's really it, guys. There's not much else to talk about. If you want me to make a Telegram so that you can take these trades with me, please leave a comment below. I will make one soon. I just want a little bit more traction on this channel before I put in that time and effort to do that. This trade was taken live, and I'm trying to be as transparent as possible for you guys. But that's all for me. I'm just going to end the video now. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.